you choose to have a plant-based diet, or even just you choose to have a more healthy diet, but you don't know if what you're buying is the best products, well, stay tuned because in today's video I'm gonna talk all about it. Hey you all, and welcome back to Rameliving. For those who doesn't know me, my name is Pia and I'm a master's in nutrition and a wellness coach. And in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through the different groups of food so you can choose and recognize which are the best ones for your health and for your family's health. Choose the ones that are in nature just the way they are, unprocessed. So for that, I divided in starchy vegetables and in fruits. Now, starchy vegetables, it's such a good option because they have lots of fiber, and you know that they don't have any other ingredient that it can be harmful for you. Another thing that the fruit gives you like a lot is the vitamins. Mostly all of the vitamins are in this group of food. Try to keep at least 4 different colors through the week, okay? And the second is try to buy as seasonal fruit as possible. That are the best ones for you. And basically, these are the main carbohydrates that I use. And not all of them are completely processed. They just come in a package. For example, the grains. Grains like rice. This is just rice. Quinoa. This one, oatmeal. And now I'm gonna jump into the processed type of carbohydrates, which I keep them in minimal. Nonetheless, I use them like twice a week just because it's easy and because it's fun. The pasta, I use usually the gluten-free pasta. This is rice pasta. Sourdough bread, because the sourdough is fermented and it has probiotics, best one to digest. Tortillas. The tortillas pretty much are processed food. This is just pulverized corn with water and salt. Always search for the ingredients, and the ingredients must say just whole grain, nothing else, because pretty common that they add lots of other stuff like sugars or syrups or things like that. So check for that. Buy at least 4 different colors and eat them through the week. Another rule, guys, that is super important is try to reach always for organic. I know that it's more expensive than the conventional vegetables, but it's worth it all the way. One amazing tip is to try to go to the farmers market. In that, you're supporting all of the farmers and you're eating seasonal, and it's more likely that you're gonna find more organic products. Use exactly the same recommendation that I bring about the carbohydrates. Use or consume fats that are in their natural state. Avocados, which this one are just an amazing food. The olives, the same as the avocado, they're source of monounsaturated fat, really good for your cardiovascular system. Now, another fat that I use a lot that is good source of calcium, it's the sesame, that which by the way I'm running out. Can you see? But I use it a lot as tahini too. Tahini is just sesame butter, and it's such, I'm currently obsessed with tahini. I use it a lot in dressings. Now, there's another group of fats that they are unprocessed. Nonetheless, we have to consume in small amounts because they are pro-inflammatory and they have anti-nutrients too. These are the walnuts that I like a lot, or almonds. They usually use them in almond butter. So these ones are pretty healthy. Just you have to check on the ingredients that it brings only almonds. Okay, that it doesn't bring any other oils or sugars or syrups or things like that. And omega-3 is anti-inflammatory for your body, especially for your brain and muscles and the whole system. So for that, the plant-based that I use basically are the hemp seeds, which I absolutely love. I use them a lot in salads, in soup. I just spread them around in almost all of my meals. They're amazing. Flax seeds, just keep in mind that when you use flax seeds, you have to ground them, okay? Because if you use them like whole, your body will not be able to absorb them. And the third options are the chia seed, which I just realized that I ran out of chia seeds. I normally always have, but I'm sorry for this video, I will be not able to show you. Nonetheless, the chia seeds, they're so easy to use. You can use them as a chia pudding. You can see the recipe on my blog. Oils. And oils, guys, are not the most healthy food, even if you think they are, because it doesn't bring anything more than just fat. It's different, the coconut oil, than actually eating the coconut. So I mainly have oils just to cook, just a little bit. I try to not put more than 1 teaspoon in each meal, and I mainly cook with vegetable stock. I'm gonna grab something for my neck because I'm chilling over here, okay? Give me 1 second. In terms of soy products, the only product that I actually consume is tofu, because tofu is fermented and in the ingredients is mainly just soybeans. Legumes, like for example in this case garbanzo beans. I usually take the natural form, but in this case this week I have lots of work, so I have to consume it in a can. I bought them in a can. I always search that they are organic and that in the ingredients they only have salt and water. Dark green vegetables, they are an excellent source of proteins. So like broccoli, like kale, like collard greens, like spinach, like romaine lettuce, you can just vary between them. Seeds, like for example hemp seeds has a lot of proteins. Like in this case 3 tablespoons has 10 grams of protein, so imagine, it's really high. Water, and I try to use it always is in room temperature or a little bit warm, like lukewarm water. Tea, which I absolutely love because tea can bring you additional benefits, like for example some of them have antioxidants. So in this case I usually buy ones with caffeine, like green tea, which I love, and other ones without caffeine to drink more late afternoon or night. It's kombucha. And kombucha, it's fermented tea, and it has so much lactobacillus, that is this bacteria, beneficial bacteria for your gut. And to maintain a healthy gut, guys, it's like key for maintain a healthy health. Another liquid that it's totally amazing, it's super nourishing and revitalizant, it's the coconut water, which if I am in tropical countries I just drink it out of the coconut, but right now that I'm in the USA I am consuming more in a can. I just try to search for the ingredients that it says only coconut water. Vegans type of milks, that in this case I'm having this almond and this is oat milk. I use a lot the coconut too. The most important thing here is to always search for unsweetened. Cilantro, the ginger, I absolutely love it. Turmeric when I can find too. Lemon juice or lime, and this green onions. I use them a lot. They're super good. Choosing the ones that only brings the mainly ingredient. In this case, chopped onions. I always search for the ingredients and it has to bring only onions. The soy sauce, another obsession, the maple syrup, the mustard, and I usually always have like kind of like a tomato sauce paste, I always try to the same to search for the ingredients that they doesn't have anything nasty. There's another thing on the stock. Let me bring it. I use a lot vegetable stock just to give a little bit more flavor to the vegetables or to the rice or quinoa or whatever I'm doing, and to use less oil. So I shimmer the vegetables in this. So my dear friends, this is the video for today. I hope that it works a lot for you, and just let me know if you have any comments or doubt. Write them down below. I'm here to help you. And please, if you are not having a plant-based diet, all of these advices that I'm giving you today is gonna work a lot for you and your family. Okay, so I hope to see you next week. Remember that every week I upload a new video, so please stay tuned and subscribe the channel so you won't miss them. And if you like this video, please thumbs up and share it with your loved ones so they can learn about all of these food recommendations too. Okay, and I want to invite you to see my blog, Rameliving.com. So you will find in there lots of new recipes that you can apply. All of them are completely natural and completely healthy. Okay, so stay healthy, stay happy, stay tuned, and love you all.